Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com.
Hello, in this tutorial for latest release Ubuntu 25.04 server installation process. Ubuntu 25.04 already released 17 April. So now I am already download this ISO and now I am create VirtualBox machine using Ubuntu 25.04 server. This is my server folder location UBN 25 ISO image. I am already download and upload into my VirtualBox. Type Linux, sub type Ubuntu, version Ubuntu 64. Must be check mark skip unattended installation. RAM 2 GB, hard disk 25 GB. Okay, now finish and then again open settings, then going to network and check this is selected is bridge adapter, then click OK and now click start this VM for installation process. Yes, VM is up and running. Now enter for next step. Now coming installation process, select language English, hit enter. Layout English, variant English, identity file keyboard and press enter. Choose the base for the installation, already automatic selected, then hit enter. Now get IP address from my local network, hit enter, done, hit enter, done, again hit enter. Mirror list URL, continue. This is enter disk, automatic get 25 GB disk, hit enter, done. Now select continue and your name, my name is tech, server name UBN 25, username again tech and password 123, then tab, hit enter, press spacebar for install OpenSSH server or mark this and then tab and hit enter and then tab, hit enter, done. Now this installation process up to 5 to 10 minutes and then login using tech user. I am now skip this video and then I am coming when installation done. Installation done. Now remove my ISO from device, force unmount and then reset my VirtualBox Oracle VM. Now starting my VM. Now start successfully done. Now I'm login using tech user, username and password, then hit enter and now I am going to root user using sudo su, then type tech user. I am going to root user. First I am set up root password using passwd command to type set up root password successfully. And next step, enable SSH using SSH D tab, then hit enter, scroll down, remove this hash mark, and then remove this hash mark, and going to last page and remove this prohibit password and type yes. Then save and exit, and then service SSH restart. Okay, now I am checking SSH is working fine. This is 168 SSH option L root 192.168.65. this is right or wrong? Yes, right. Hit enter, type yes, and then type root password. Yes, successfully SSH is working. And now I am checking server version lsb underscore release option A. This is Ubuntu 25.04 code name. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.